So my friend, the clock is 8 o'clock in the morning. The clock is like 8 o'clock in the morning, man. That's crazy, bro. I just woke up. Where's the water? สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหม ไม่สบาย เป็นอะไร ทำหน่อย 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 Wow. What a wonderful day to be alive. Grateful, strong. Just sleep without watching YouTube, without watching nothing. For a long time, my friends, I could just go to sleep if I watch a movie or something. Now I try to not try, because there is no try, there's only do.
All right, I'll give it a try.
No, do or do not. There is no try.
So I just like, where you go? What do you have? What is this? Fish. Let me see what kind of fish you have. You know, I think there is two worlds, one in the night, one in the day. For many times, I only like the night.
Today,
maybe I'm gonna
come, I have a king mackerel on my boat.
What is this?
I catch king mackerel.
Mackerel.
Yeah.
Really?
On the boat. You can look.
Yeah, you have on the boat here?
Yeah.
Can I check?
Yeah, it's small boat.
Man, I will never see this fisherman if I was not here during the day. Oh baby, I like it raw. Oh baby, I like it raw. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yo. Give me that mic so I can take the flow. Boy, tell me you have a big fish here. Let me check. This is mackerel. Can I see? Wow. Today?
Today.
Wow. But where is the big? I want to go with a boat today, I think. When you truly are true to yourself, you can do whatever you want. I not find your fish, I only find the small.
I show you. Come.
And what you say, I must try, huh?
Huh?
I must try your fish.
Yes.
My friend, listen.
My fish.
Listen me.
Yeah.
I go travel around the world. I never eat fish. You know where I eat?
Yeah.
In Spain, tuna. Only this.
Oh.
Only fresh.
My fish the best.
Really?
Yes.
Stinky fish?
100%.
Ooh. Stinky fish?
100%.
Stinky fish, man.
Yeah.
But I cannot see it.
Show you.
I only see the small.
Yeah.
Is your boat?
Yes.
We can go out?
Yes.
We go?
Yes.
Wow, hey, you're a good man. You say yes for everything. You from Thailand?
Yes. I from here. I work here.
Really? Wow. My girlfriend. Ham noi, ham leg. Where is your fish, my friend?
I show you. Nan lah.
Wow, you have fish
ได้
also.
ปลาได้นี่ small fish
ลูกไก่ลูกลูกไป
Wow.
นี่
ป
แห
ลา
ละ
แล้
แต่
ว
ว่าเต้นไม่มีเชื้อมาแรงแน่
My friend, this fish not what is this?
To put for the bay,
For the big?
for the bay, to put on the hook.
Ah, bait.
Yeah. น้องนี่มึกเอาไปขายพวกนี้นะโรงแรมนี่เอาไปขายก็ซื้อไป
Is your dog?
no
มาอยู่ใต้รถนี่
เอ้ย
อยู่ไหม
Wow. Wow. Oh. You find this today, huh?
yes now
เอาจะตั้งหน่อยเดี๋ยว
Same tuna.
yes
เอาไอ้นี่หันหน้ามานี่
อืม
คว้างกันเดิมเหมือนได้วันนี้นั่นเด็กมันต้องเด็กหันหน้ามานี่
Nan lơi.
ปล่อยเอาหัวให้ได้
Yeah, this is a stinky fish. Is girl or boy?
boy
How you can know?
I know
How you can know?
yeah.
How much money you can sell this fish?
oh no I not say own I cut for you by piece very good
But I want you cook for me.
no problem I cook there my restaurant there you can order
Okay,
there.
okay. I order for you.
anytime
I give you tip for you.
no problem
Good man. When you go fish next time, I want to go with you.
oh you know I wake up 3 o'clock
Wow.
I have
Ting
to
tong.
catch with the to put on the bay. I have to catch fish first, small fish to put on the hook.
Okay. I understand, my friend. To my darling. Okay.
อยู่ข้างนอกแล้วนะกันอยู่ล่างจริง
Help the fisherman in the morning, man. This is good, man.
Make you strong.
Strong. Well, I not wake up 7 o'clock in the morning for 2 years. Here it is, man. Pretty little baby. And I have one friend in Koh Samui. He have one car washing shop. It's time to go clean the baby. Look at this. Look, I can change menu even. Look. This is for the night. This is for the day. Yeah. And then you can change mode. You have like T and S. This is sport, this is T. We take sport, or we can take T. Hey, I checked these bikes, man. It cost 420,000 baht. They cost more than $10,000, these bikes, man. Pretty little baby, I want to eat some breakfast, little baby. Bro, I like my bike so much, I drive it to my room. Yeah, this is real Korea style. Pretty little lady. Sorry, khab. And they really like me in this hotel, so I think it's fine. Look at the babe, man. I just go there to take my bike here because I don't know what to do in the morning, man. I need to have myself some breakfast, then I need to go to the gym, I think. Pretty little lady. Top. You know, when they put the RICO law in United States of all the Italian mobsters, when they start to surveillance all the mobsters, it was easy because they had the routine, you know, like they did all the same thing like me. I do all the same things like in Costa Mi. Wow. Okay, wait. Now we need to find something I'm gonna try here. You're gonna tell me what? Dance class? Salsa, bachata? No, already. Preparing for childbirth and pregnancy. Oh, this is what I need to do, man. I've been crying so much in the last vlogs, man. I think I have a period. Lego, making robots using Lego education sets and programming. Wow. Anyways, what I want to say, when the police start to make surveillance. Sorry, khab. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So when the cops were surveillance the Italian mobsters, it was easy because they went to the same place every day, you know. It's like me, bro. If the cops gonna check what I'm doing, it's easy, bro. I'm doing the same every day, man. Strong. Pretty little love. Ooh, top. This menu is, bro, this place is so good, man. Look, they have everything. They have soup, Turkish egg, shashkuka, eggs poached in special spicy tomato sauce with a dash of homemade Greek yogurt. You know, this is so good food, man. They have really good food here. They have avocado on toast, egg Florentine, egg Benedict. Pretty little lady. Man, they have so strong things here. Really good things. You know, I know what I'm gonna take, like I always take. I'm gonna take one lentil soup. I think I'm gonna take avocado chicken and lentil soup. Be good because I'm gonna go to the gym. What do you say, chat? Grilled chicken breast topped with creamy smashed avocado and juice, shirt, multiplication, flavorful pesto. Pretty little lady. Okay, maybe this is better to have like this, man. Hey, I just got a message on my Discord. Scam alert. Copacabana Beast kiosk. On 2 consecutive days, I dined at the 2 kiosks shown in the picture. I also have showing exact location, which was near Tropic Beach Club. At the one to the left, I had fried fish with salad, onion rings, and a caipirinha. The total came to 240 Brazilian reals. At the one to the right, I had sardines, caipirinha, coconut. The total came to 88. It wasn't just the pricing. There was also fraudulent inflation on the price going to the left. This is true. When I was with Yasmin's father in the favela, he told me, he said, hey, listen, don't think that you are one gringo, Korea, I don't know what. When you are gringo in Brazil, they put up the price normally. That's crazy, man. Next time I go to Brazil, I'm gonna go to the north, Fortaleza. I'm not gonna go to Rio, bro. I'm gonna go to the north. I give so much love to the people and get nothing back. Wow, thank you so much. Lentil soup, sperm. What else do you want more? Pick up. Can I have one more? Oh no. Wow, lentil soup is so good. This summer, I've lost 2 Starlink Mini. One is in my village, one I lost in Brazil in one Airbnb. And of course I lost my Nintendo Switch original charger. But here I bought one new one. And it's crazy how a small thing like this can make me so happy. I just go around, walk up, open it like this. I like video games. It's one future of mine that I don't know, I like video games, but I play for 5 minutes and I don't like. I wait very much to play the new Donkey Kong Bonanza. I even, for the first time, maybe make one stream on YouTube, like a marathon when I'm gonna complete a game in front of everybody. I never stream on YouTube like 2 years ago. What do you think about that? Should I make like a stream only on YouTube and just play Donkey Kong Bonanza for like 24 hours? Maybe, I don't know. What do you think? And today also, my friend, the bar is opening back again. It's not the grand opening, but the door's gonna be open because we had some we needed to fix like the alcohol license, and now everything should be fine. So we're gonna open the bar now. My friend from Pattaya gonna come here that you met from Belvedere House. He's gonna help me to get some staff, to get some nice girls. So I have been now here for 2 days and I've not even been in the bar. But tonight we're gonna go there. I'm gonna make a list with Nuwa, everything what we need to do. and also my friend. So when you want to meet Johnny Johnson, you're gonna meet him in the Fruten Fraten bar in Koh Samui. Why? Because he is Johnny Johnson. Why? Because I gotta. Also why? Bro, he has stayed in Pattaya now for 2 years. It's so many degenerates there, lunatics. I want him to be in Koh Samui. Maybe he can be a little bit more happier, a little bit more healthier. Happy he already is, but I don't know. Johnny Johnson is gonna move here to Koh Samui. I'm gonna pay for his retirement visa. I'm going to pay for his new apartment, and I'm gonna pay for his bike. And that's really strong. And that's because all of you guys watch my vlog, and we know Johnny Johnson is super strong. Of course, he needs to be in the Fruten Fraten bar. You know, when you have T-Max, bro, you drive all the way into the hotel. You cannot drive bike here. I can because I tip them and I want my T-Max to be ready to fight. Ooh, strong. Now we're gonna play some Nintendo. Life is strong. I just must say one thing, my friends. Like, this hotel is so nice. Like, I even can drive my T-Max in my room, bro. Soon I'm gonna put it in the room, bro. Here is the T-Max. There is the beach. I pay $28. I'm in Koh Samui. And I'm just gonna play some Nintendo Switch here on the TV for the first time. That's a flex. Let's see here, my friends. Unboxing. Nintendo Switch 2 adapter. I could not find it anywhere. Randomly, I just go in Central Samui and I find exactly what I need. This is rare to find because Nintendo Switch 2 accessories is not so easy. Plastic. Look at this. Okay, we have this. And here we have also this one. I had to go to Nuwa's place and pick it up with some clothes I'm gonna wear tonight in my new bar. Yeah. Wow, I forget one cable. So I lost my HDMI cable, like it's in the shop. I need to bring it, and I really want to set this up now. And I also need to go to 7-Eleven to buy one longer cable. Strong! Literally stay in this hotel because I can go inside with my bike. You know, small details for me is everything, bro. Tomorrow when I wake up, maybe we're gonna make some snorkeling. Maybe I'm gonna make some water activities because I gotta. Now we come out to the main street here. Here is like the main street. Here is the main street, and to the left here, like, is the bar street. My bar is there. And Nuwa's place, High Life, is this way. Ooh, the classic 7-Eleven in Thailand. You can find everything here. So now we look for an extend cable. Why do I feel so good when I vlog all the time? I don't know, it's a good question. Then the old Roberto, I was like, no, I'm not confident enough to take up the camera and vlog because everybody just wants to see girls. Then you don't have to watch. So now I'm really strong again, Sawadee khap, you have extra cable? Electric, yeah, long. Other 7 have. You know what I mean, no? For contact.
Yes.
My me. Okay. Sawadee khap. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Faka.
Faka. My name Roberto. Sawadee khap. How are you?พูดไทยนิดหน่อย
สบายดีไหม
สบาย
สบาย
ไม่สบาย
ทำไมอ่ะ
ไม่สบาย
ทำไมไม่สบาย
No have girlfriend.
อ๋อ
You have boyfriend?
I have
ฝรั่ง
no ไทย
You so beautiful มาก
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ๆ You not like ฝรั่ง
no
Better. Me no like ฝรั่ง Only like Thai.
อ๋อ300 บาทค่ะ
Tip for you.
thank you
Thank you. Next time I come back, no have boyfriend. You have baby?
no
Oh, why? How old are you?
22
Wow, good. Soy mak.
ค่ะ
Bye bye. Yeah. Actually, like, if you want a Thai girlfriend, I think that's the way to go. Not find one girl in a bar, man. I think that she was really cute. What do you think? Leave in a comment. Now I'm gonna go home and play Nintendo. But I'm just sad that I don't. Oh, now he's gonna help me here. Yeah, I always wait here for people. Now it's my turn. I want to buy like one classic Super Nintendo controller, but I can only order it from Nintendo online, and that's so hard, man. Here is my bike. See? Open. Strong. Man, I'm too fast. And look what I have here, my friends. Pippi Longstocking. This. I have my bar. I'm in Koh Samui, bro. Okay, HDMI. Now we're just gonna infect the mushroom with my Nintendo. Top. Yes. Top. Look my flying mount. This is good, man. Applause, applause, applause. Okay, where is my... Yeah, as you can see here, I have the flying mount. But bro, this Harry Potter game is very, like, it's a little bit like complicated to play. I cannot wait until I gonna play Donkey Kong. I don't believe it's so complicated. Sawadee. Hey, how are you? Good. Here it is, bro. Fruten, fraten, X-Highlight, strong. This is my bar. This is where I invested some of my money. And this is gonna be the best bar of Koh Samui. Strong. And they just opened kebab here. They just opened kebab. She is the employee at my bar. What's your name? Patty. Her name is Patty. She's good. You see here the sign, fruten, fraten. This is gonna be top. Now I wait for my brother Noah, and we're gonna make a list of what we have to do. And the grand opening, I'm gonna tell you now when the grand opening is gonna be. Okay, here we are, my friend. Here we are. Now, it's not many things left.
No.
The grand opening, 11 of October. Saturday, 11 of October. The only thing we need now, we need to fix the girl that's gonna work here. We have 1 week.
We have girls that work there. So
Yeah.
we need some more girls.
Yeah, we need funny girls here. Some funny girls. 5 to 10 girls.
5 to 10 girls.
Good girls. We have 1 week. I'm gonna speak with my uncle Nicky.
Yeah.
They're gonna help me with this.
They're gonna fix girls here?
Yeah, bro. So this place always gonna be full of girls.
And so this guy, you don't understand, he can fix everything.
And
Everything.
Johnny Johnson, you know already, bro.
Yes. Johnny Johnson.
Yeah. Me and my friend here, we're gonna split his visa.
Yes.
That's crazy.
We're gonna pay this guy
Yeah.
retirement visa.
We're gonna pay his retirement visa, and he's not gonna work here, but he's gonna be here every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Streaming.
He's gonna stream. I'm gonna set up a stream for Johnny Johnson. We're gonna give him 1 corner. So we have exactly 8 days to fix that. I hope Johnny Johnson also gonna come. If not,
Johnny
the
Johnson is coming. Doesn't he come 8 days?
I don't know. We're gonna see with his visa. He's gonna fix it these days.
I need to fix it in Pattaya.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
In Bangkok. So that's the only thing, bro. Everything is set. Everything is good. We have the sign. Tomorrow, brother, we're gonna set up some t-shirt on the wall.
High Life t-shirt, fruten, fraten t-shirt,
And if
Colombia number 10.
And everybody that are in Koh Samui or in Thailand, you are welcome here. And also, I am searching for somebody on my Instagram that can paint this wall. I have got accepted to make a painting of myself or fruten fraten on all of this wall. If you are in Thailand and it's good graffiti, come here, I buy your ticket, come here, I give you money if you want, and I want fruten fraten on all of this wall. So yeah, man, that's about it, man. It's gonna be really crazy, bro, and I'm gonna be here now for minimum 1 month to make everything work. It's gonna be super strong. And also, if you have some questions like how I can design the place, you are welcome to tell me, because obviously I'm not a designer. But here I'm gonna put some legacy of the fruten fraten tomorrow, and also we're gonna do something here, but the place is running and it's gonna be strong. Write a comment if you're gonna come here, 11 of October, Saturday. We give our customers free shots. Hey, for free. Here is my bar. And I'm gonna say hello to my neighbors here. Kebab Society. Man, that's crazy. They have a kebab next to my bar. Hello, my friend. Sawadee krap. We are neighbor.
Yes,
Wow. Wow, so good.
yeah, doner kebab bomb. It's extra drink.
I want classic doner. Right, no? Doner.
Yeah,
Like this.
3 bread, brother. Fat bread, long bread, and loud bread.
Can I see?
Yes. Long bread. This is loud bread.
Yeah, I want like this.
Fat bread.
Yeah, I want
Yes.
this. With extra sauce.
Extra sauce. Would you like, brother? Cocktail sauce, garlic sauce, society sauce.
Which sauce you have? All the sauce.
I recommend the cocktail sauce, brother.
Which one is cocktail?
This is cocktail. See?
Special.
Special,
Okay,
brother. The
I take cocktail and I take garlic.
garlic and cocktail, brother.
Yeah.
And vegetable, onion, red cabbage,
Onion.
red cabbage,
No red cabbage.
salad,
Yeah.
tomato.
No.
No tomato.
Onion
Okay.
and salad.
Salad.
Yeah, cocktail sauce and garlic sauce. Wow, good energy. Now we are neighbor. Good.
Yes.
My bar here. And when they wanna eat, I say come here.
Yes, welcome, brother.
I like kebab.
Enjoy, brother.
But you need one thing here, ayran. You know ayran?
Ayran.
When you eat döner in Turkey, original, you drink ayran. Must have here.
Beer, Thai beer.
I show you one day.
Yes, brother.
I hope it's good. I eat every day here. I never hear cocktail sauce. Only I hear cocktail.
Cocktail drink.
Wow.
And this is signature sauce. Moment, the new.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Society sauce.
I want signature sauce. Okay. Signature and garlic.
Brother, I put this in and garlic and I put more this in.
Okay.
Yes, more.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So extra this one.
Okay. If you need more sauce, the society this is yes. And cocktail sauce I put already inside. Enjoy, enjoy.
Bro, I like it. I like it. I like it. Now time to go home, sleep, tomorrow swim, exercise, be strong. That's the life, my friend. Yeah, man, welcome to a whole new video. If it is, I don't know, I just edit and cut everything now. We just came to the gym here. Good morning, strong lifestyle, everything good. Fruten, fraten. What's up, boys? Hey, what's up, bro? Hey, bro, everybody think you come from Morocco, man.
Me, I'm from the trio, Sverige.
Okay, today, what we train today?
Today we're doing shoulders, I think.
Shoulders and
shoulders
triceps.
and triceps. Yes.
Okay.
Shoulder triceps. Yes.
Okay, it's good, it's good. And today we have ATV, no?
No, the ATV tour, the guy he cancelled.
Man, why did he cancel 3 days?
Yes, look what you wrote to me. Brother, I'm sorry today. We just had 3 group contact me. My partner wants to do these bookings. It's low season and we have huge cost and we pick this tomorrow.
Oh, then what are you gonna do today? Some activity?
Well, today we go Amba.
What is it?
Amba is like a spa. It's where they have sauna, they have pool, ice bath, good food. We go there, we chill, we take a drink, take some good food, go in the sauna, lose some sweat.
Top. I take like 50 kilo, man.
50 kilos!
50. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna tell you now why this is the best island in the whole of the world. After reaching an island, I just ordered this food. It's like super fresh rice, some crazy sauce, and chicken, like really healthy for 100 baht. How much is 100 baht in a dollar?
$2.5.
$2.5 for this food. $3.
$2.5.
$3 for this food.
Bro, it depends on the currency.
How are you, bro? You good? This is my new friend here. What's your name, bro? I forgot. Leo. Personal trainer, strong.
Exactly.
From Germany, bro. Strong, bro. We're gonna see you more, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
You're gonna train me strong.
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe go jogging in the morning.
Gonna do some sparring as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Only good energy here. I travel around all the world.
Yes.
All the world. I've been to restaurant every day. I never eat mama's food because mama stay in Sweden.
Yeah. Oh.
And I come to your restaurant here in Koh Samui. And you can see here, my friends, you can see here. 100 baht grilled chicken breast with vegetables and boiled rice. 100 baht is $3. Grilled fish with vegetables and brown rice. 120 baht. And this is so healthy food. And also I have protein shake.
Yes.
I think more influencers must make video here. It's so good.
Thank you so much. We are.
Listen, I not lie. This is really, really amazing.
We are very happy when the customer love the food.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna
Thank
come
you.
every day after I train
Thank
to eat
you.
here.
Thank you.
And what is your name of your place?
Season Samui.
Yeah, here is it. Season Samui. Bro, you literally eat for $3. So good food. And also they have Toy Story here. Because when you have like this and me customer and I see it's good, you're a good person, you know, happy, you know.
Yeah, relax.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And this is my bro, Leo. He's gonna be, listen, we manifest it, bro.
We manifest
You're gonna
it.
be the #1 top, how you say?
Fitness coach.
Fitness coach, brother, from Germany. Where in Germany you come from?
Munich.
Munich. Bayern Munich.
Yeah, yes.
The deutsche Maschine.
Auf jeden Fall.
This is my friend. I really like this guy, bro. He's a really good guy.
Ein sehr korrekter Typ.
You're a good man, bro. You're a good man, bro. You're good. Okay, listen, this is my friend. He's from Munich. And what did you ask him?
I'm asking, bro, I need to build weight. But as you said, my metabolism is so fast.
What means metabolism?
It means that I shit 4 or 5 times a day.
How much you weigh?
50 kilos, 52 kilos.
Bro, it's crazy, bro.
Yes.
And what you say, he need more weight, huh?
Yeah,
I'm
he
just
needs more
muscle.
weight for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. But I'm just muscle, bro. You know, I'm only pure muscle. That's why. But okay, say how do
50 kilo muscle.
How do I force myself not to shit?
Okay, well that's another argument.
Yeah.
But first, if you want to gain weight, you have to count the calories
Yeah.
and then go into a calorie surplus.
Bro,
so you eat more calories.
So I eat.
But your
so
metabolism, like you said, right?
Yeah.
When you eat more, you have to go to the toilet more. But you can force your body to shit less. You just have to keep it in. And if you do it for like 2 days, 3 days, your body gets used to it and your body accepts it, you know?
So the shit go in the muscles.
And then I shit less.
Yeah.
Really?
And all the food will stay and go into my muscle instead of going out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You have
really?
to force your body to digest, because if you go to the toilet right after you eat, your
Yeah.
body doesn't really digest, right?
Yeah,
It goes
yeah.
in, goes out right away.
So if
but
I-
if you force it's like your body is connected to your mind, right?
Yeah.
And if you force your body to digest your food, of course you're gonna use more of it, and then you're gonna gain more weight.
So if I need to shit, I shouldn't go to the toilet.
Well, you should go.
Bro,
but
this
maybe
is crazy,
not
right?
twice.
Well, what
Hey,
No.
hey,
Not five
Not
times
5
a
times
day. That's
so
not healthy.
maybe one time when I feel like, oh, I don't need really
okay, how many times a day you go to the toilet?
Like 4 or 5.
That's
What?
way too much. That's why you
What?
weigh 50 kilograms.
But bro, what
5
can I do
times.
if I need to shit? I need to shit.
I go like one time.
You
I go
don't
one
go.
time. I go one time.
Really? One time?
It's your boy Roberto Fruten Fraten back in the frame, and now we're gonna do something because I promised myself last night that I want to go on the water. So we're gonna go drinking? No, not drinking, not smoking, only jogging. We're gonna go kayak. Let's go. And I must say this part of Koh Samui is my new favorite because it's so calm here. It's no people. It's really nice. But I always have the effect that many people want to copy and they want to do what I do. So we're gonna go take one kayak here. We're gonna go to the other island. I'm gonna go all the way to the other island today. Isn't it lovely? Oscar! Every time I'm here, I feel like I'm like Pippi on the 7 seas. Go to the gym, wake up early. Today I made chef's day. Eat good breakfast. Oh, really nice. Isn't she lovely? สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหม
สบายดีค่ะ ถ้าคุณมานวดจะสบายมากๆเลย
ไม่มี
อ้าวคุณบาสันเอาทำไม You are lucky
Really?
Yes
เออ
มาก
สวยมาก
You are lucky man
I am อร่อยมาก
ว้า
Have a nice day ค่ะ No, not today ค่ะ Long time ago I did not. But here we are. There you can see one guy is kayaking. We're gonna take the kayaking here now. This is the way back, man. Fruten fraten original. The air is so nice, you know. Good for you. Good for me and good for you. Sorry, kayak. No need safety. No need safety. I am strong Korea, man. I'm Korea. Man, how nice is this not? Huh? This is so nice, man. This is so nice. This is my home country, man. I never really thought about these things before, but now I am. This is really good training also. Wow, man, look at this small island. Because I'm a lady boy, try to make it. Wow. This is so good, man. And I go all the way to the island, bro. This is really good training, man. I should do this every morning, bro. Now we come all the way to the island here. It feels like I'm in Pippi. Spin the movie, Roberto. Do your magic.
Minns du en sjöman för länge, länge sen?
Minns ni hans namn var Roberto?
Aldrig så ser du den sjömannen igen.
Han vilar i havet med Roberto.
Men en storm där kan
göra någon som ropar Tomma Jackie. Tomma Jackie kommer pira, ja. Oof, here I am, bro, in the middle of the sea. I think I'm gonna go buy snorkeling set, man. I want to be a diver, man. Let's go. Normally I just dive down deep in the rabbit hole, but maybe I'm gonna start to dive deep in the sea. What do you think? I'm gonna go buy one now, man. It's time. Because you know I can paddle out with this one, and then I can snorkel here, and I can even use my GoPro for that. That's amazing.
Oplago sam svoju travu. Oplago sam svoju travu.
Strong training. Top. Now I think I'm gonna go buy one snorkel. Snorkel i knipa.
Pitali smo starog rastu, dal ima za smotači. Pitali smo starog rastu, dal ima za smotači. Imam dobru maščobaču, da te splenglači.
Here we have him, bro. Can you do? Here also?
No.
Only here. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. How much? How much? Okay.
Okay, jingle bell number 6, long one, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. Ta 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 ta.
This is number 6? No, not for you.
Hello. No.
Oh.
Okay. No. Ta. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
How I can do?
Okay. Number 6.
How I can do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
6. Okay. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ
Solo.
Oof. Ah, boy. Number 6. Coconut water. Man, this is so good, man. This is the organic fruit and fraten, my friends. Hammock. We have this coconut, the mio my mio flute. Life is good. I changed from being I'm not being sober for months, but I've been sober now for I believe like 1 week, and it feels good, man. The only day I'm gonna drink, I think, is gonna be the 11th of October on my bar. Okay, since we met the personal trainer Leo today, I'm in a mall here now, and I'm eating very healthy, bro. This is very healthy. This actually, you know, sometimes I don't like the healthy stuff, but this is okay. Wow, good. And I see this t-shirt now too many times. Think twice. Yeah, it's too big. Too big. Oh, mais querida, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, this is my I wake up today with Biden. Várias malucas no contar, a bala come. Que essa prata é glória, que essa não é da voz amigo que tem a cara de. Okay, here is my drip, and here is my special, no samba, no, special. It's funny because this is handball shoes. Oof. See? Yeah, this is my new dress, strong. What can I say, bro? Really strong, bro. Let's go. Today, I wake up, we're gonna go ATV, you know? I wanted to make ATV, but I don't know what happened, so we're not gonna make ATV. Anyways, we're gonna explore the island and just live my life, because that's what I do best. Lotus, Sami, hey, is this not the series, like the Black Lotus? It does not look like this. I wish I was live now so you could tell me what I should do. But I'm gonna explore the island of Koh Samui, and you're gonna hang out with me. See you later. Där jag kommer, chockar du blir chockad när jag släpper bomben. Game over, fylld med bly, bitch, första ronden. Bunden till att jaga filmen på gatan, fånge. Fånga, sätta, get the money, bara många gånger. We can get the money.